Good morning. This is Shawn from Clearly Windows. We're here in Tacoma. We're going to be washing some windows on a house here in the background. Got Dylan with me and getting ready to get set up. Here we go. All right, we've got a large two-story home here. The unique thing about this house is it's a National Registry house, so it's got to be a certain number of years old, but lots of mature growth around that we're going to have to deal with, and some unique windows. She's got a third-story window up there that we're going to have to get, but this will be great. Dylan's going to find us some water, and we'll get some soap in it, and then we're going to get started. All right, we're almost finished with the exterior windows. Dylan's got a set of 3 here that he's working on, and then we're going to go inside and we'll get some of the interior stained glass and all the glass washed. See if I can get a better angle. Oh yeah, this is a good angle. And he uses the mop to get corner to corner and edge to edge. So uses the white pad to get the bug and bird stuff off of the windows. And when he's done with that, he'll use his squeegee to use a technique we call fanning, and goes corner to corner, top to bottom. Look at that technique on the guy. Just cuts it down, cuts it down, cuts it down. And, oh, perfection. Look at that. Excellent. All right, now he's going to use his blue towel and his white towel. White towel is going to get all the stuff at the bottom of the window. And his blue towel will be used to dry the edges of the window on the sides and the top. So, but man, when this window's done, you'll only have one more to do. That technique on this guy. Okay, and that's how we do windows. All right, another unique feature about some of these homes in North Tacoma or the historic district is this stained glass that is, or leaded glass. It has to all be done by hand, and so what we do is we spray it with blue spray, because you're not going to be able to get a squeegee into the areas. And so as you can see that he's sprayed each of the panes of glass with the blue spray, and he's using his blue towel to get the edges, to get anything off of the glass, and it really just makes it shine and sparkle when the sun comes through. Unfortunately, on this house, it's got storm windows on the outside, so the sun can't get as directly to it as it can on some of the other windows. But once this stained glass is clean, it'll look really good. All right, another job done. We've got the windows inside and out done. We've got the screens washed. We've got the gates closed, and so we're just about done. So another home taken care of here in North Tacoma. If you are in the Puget Sound area and you want to get windows cleaned, pressure washing of like flat surfaces or vinyl siding cleaned, we would love to help you out. We thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.